Yeah, wonderful people, viewers and subscribers, you're welcome back again. This is still BVI Channel 1, where we tell you nothing but undiluted truth. Have you seen the video that is trending? Very dark man. Hey, you've got the kind of breezing they breeze here. It is breezing in Barcelona, but that is not what I'm talking about. Have you seen the video of VDM? If you have not seen the video of VDM that is trending, he went to NBA conference in Port Harcourt. Guess what? Hey, everyone wants to snap with him. Everyone wants to have a bite of the man that has taken over their job in Nigeria. You saw that, right? Everyone they gather. You see him? Chai! Nigeria. Now, what does that tell you? See, an ordinary citizen went to NBA conference, not just as a, what do you call it, a spectator or a visitor, but as a panelist. That's, he will join the panelists to judge matter for Nigerian lawyers.
First things first, if I answer your question, there has been a lot of debate as to why I was invited here.
Do I have the veto to your question?
Please, I'll come to the question, don't worry.
You have 2 minutes.
I will.
You will use 1 minute to You have many lawyers defending you against you. I'm part of you. You should be on my side.
So there has been a lot of debate as to why Very Dark Man is invited. I am not here to teach you the law. I am here to share an experience. I'm pretty sure a lot of you that are debating did not look at the topic. It says known gunmen or unknown gunmen, right? This is not the topic of if I name my Lord, because a lot of your lords are being kidnapped. So this is not if I name, because your lords are being kidnapped. On the 26th of July, a judge was coming from Sokoto, and he was kidnapped in Kenya. And then they released him after 1 week. Do you understand? So if we don't discuss about this topic, and if I don't share my experience, it will not be if I name my Lord. It will be you joining your personal Lord and Savior. So you just have to listen, you know. So I'll share my experience now. Thank you very much. So, talking about Yelwata, I was the first respondent there. When the killing happened, our conventional media, like AIT, NTA, and the rest, they have become lazy and they have become really scared. So they don't really cover what happens, the result of this insecurity, or rather the result of these unknown gunmen. So that is why people like us will go there. And like I said, that is why I'm here. First of all, I was the respondent for Yelwata. I was also the first respondent when they killed, that one is the military men that did it, when they killed some women in Lamurde. They shot them, they knelt down, they sprayed them the bullets. I went there. I was also the first respondent when, the police were there before I came, but I was like the first person of the media that came. The bomb blast that happened on Saturday, they detonated one at Monday Market in Boronu, Post Office Junction, and University of Maiduguri Teaching Hospital. I went there, I saw the people that were affected. Also, Angwan Rukuba in Jos, I also went there. Bokos, I also went there. I've seen people that have been affected by these unknown gunmen. I've seen blood, I've seen people burnt alive. So you just need to listen. Do you understand? Now, what happened in Yellowater is straight. I'll be straightforward. It was the Fulanis that attacked the people in Yellowater. Why? It was a retaliation for the Yellowater people. I think they killed the Fulani boy and his cow, and these people came back. Now, the thing that has been happening in Jos.
VDM have become the Nigerian judiciary, Nigerians trust. That is because of the failed system, the one that Pharaoh Tibi termed or called criminal justice system. Because the court have not lived up to its expectation as the last hope of common man. Rather, Nigerians now have VDM as their last hope. And it is not surprising, the very judiciary, the very lifeline of judiciary in Nigeria called him to their conference. At least for them to have a feel of a man that has taken over their job. And that of the police. He will do the investigation, he will judge the matter for you. In fact, if anything happens to you now, people will say, hey, Pobalum GG, VDM. Pobalum VDM. Everybody, if you do you know how many persons that call me on daily basis? Saying, please, I want the contact of VDM. I don't even have his contact. I wish I do. So that you have more case to handle than the Nigerian court. And guess what? People are getting the justice they desire or deserve. I'm telling you honestly speaking. And it is a very big slap on the face of the Nigerian judiciary or justice system. And the lawyers must learn from, because now them they go stay higher. Politicians go stay money. Politicians go rig election. And now you will be lawyers to go defend them. When you say it is your job, it is your job, you help them upturn justice because it is your job. Today, an ordinary citizen is now judging your matter. Election is around the corner. If you like, because election season for them, for lawyers, is a season. No, season. It is their time to make money. Even when there is no case, they would like to drag up case of election matter. You know, that is the fastest way to climb the ladder of success in the Nigerian judicial system. It is good that VDM is not teaching them law. I just hope we will get it right. Because you see, Nigerian system, you don't Africa, you don't collapse. That is just it. So, what is your take? Honestly speaking, before, I've been they see VDM somehow, but the guy every day is one step strong. And you can see that grace. Make it continue, and I hope he continues. And that is my prayer for him. While we are doing our own, in our own little way, to add value and to bring about good governance. Okay? All the greetings from Barcelona, at least for now, temporarily. I am not I am not in that kingdom of darkness for now. You see, as I dey outside, they refresh myself. Help me share this video to all Nigerians. If you want a better place, you can call a country. Bye-bye for now.